This video is how to show the connections on how to connect and disconnect the ignition coil on this Venom X19 200cc. It's pretty simple. We're just gonna need this Phillips. And it's simple. Here are the connections. I'm gonna take them out. But first, we have two negatives, so we have to land them on the frame or chassis, whatever. But they have to go connected with this same screw right here, and with this one. And I think that's it. It's pretty simple. I mean, yeah. Okay, right here. And how, okay, so the reference to connect this one, we have the green side and this other black one. And if we get it, if we watch it from the where this little bracket is, the green cable has to be on the green spot, the yellow one has to be on the black one. So, and the other one, the other point is like we just disconnect this from the spark plug and basically it's free. But I'm not gonna take it out. I just basically it's ready to go. I just have to pull these two cables, but I'm not gonna do it. I just want to show how is it, because I mean at this point that really doesn't matter. So, and now we're just gonna put back everything how we're supposed to go. We put this the screw. I'm showing it this way. This is the way where you don't take all the fairings out. But if you want, if it's more comfy to you, you can take all the fairings and work like that. But I'm trying to do it this with one hand, and obviously it's gonna be way easier with both. But it's not bad. It's pretty easy job. And that's it. Oh, we just have to put back this. And there you go.